Hello, guys. 2nd of August 2023. Welcome on the next video with market commentary and market picks. As you know, we are trading stocks, and those who subscribe us every week get free report with our US stock market picks with PTA signals. And today I just decided go live again and record you the video with one of the pick we wanna maybe take today, maybe because still the US session is closed and we are waiting for the opening, but we choose one of the well-known stock, CHK. This is equity or company which represents the energy industry. And today there is earning reports for this company, and right now the prediction or expectation is quite high, but we as a traders, as a stock traders or equity traders, future contract traders, forex traders, we always try to take some advantage and be first, or as the individuals we are like we have like no chance with institutionals, of course, but what we can do, we can follow institutionals. And why I'm telling this, because what represents institutionals on the chart is a volume, and of course institutionals know something more than we individuals don't know, and they also always have access to better information. We can track them by volume. That's why our project called Volume Day Trader, and we use volume for market analysis. If you can go back to our previous videos, you can see a few good prediction here, and hopefully that one will be also a good pick. And signals from our Wyckoff scanner giving us every day few results and few new equity to trade. We share the signals with our subscribers and with our community. So if you don't subscribe yet, just press the button subscribe and go also look for us in our another social media, especially Telegram, where we also present not only the trades but also results and some other information which are not here. Okay, so let's go and let's make the analysis of CHK. And let's just see the historical chart where we were, where we are right now. So starting from 2022, we were here. Mid of 2022, price was 106. The low was this year in March, mid of March, the level around 69.50. So right now, after market drop to that level, we see the sideways move with some I would say some advantage, or maybe some kind of the imbalance here. And what I think that sellers right now are taking control on this chart. We see a flag pattern here. We tried to break it here. Then the market in a few next session came back again and put this chart in, we call it in a spring position. Okay, so this here is a spring position, and once again market gave us some resistance here, and it is like, in my opinion, it's like knocking to the door, and on one session maybe we kick this door and we'll go higher. But have a look on the volume. That's interesting because volume giving us a really good pattern here. First of all, in this the last, let's say, month, July, have a look what's happened here. Prices went up, okay, Prices went up. Maybe I will use another tool to show you this. Prices up, volume up, prices down, volume down, prices up, volume, wow, extremely high. So as you see, that especially on last 3 session, we have very interesting behave of volume. And this session from it was 28th of July, market tried to break, and there's a huge we almost break huge volume attached under this candle. And last session, that was from yesterday, market open, let's say poorly here, goes down, and as we can see, also a lot of sells appear here, but buyers finally took a control and closed. Look at this cluster of closes here just before a breakout. So what is my expectation for today's session? That a good data supposed to come on the market, and in my opinion, this market is in kind of like is accumulated right now and managed like controlled by buyers, not sellers. And what I expect that that market can open somewhere here below this line, and once on today's session we're gonna break this line, this high, I'm gonna go long. Okay, that's the first. Second scenario is the market open with a gap here, okay, somewhere here. I'm gonna buy it. If it's happened that we open with a gap, up gap, we will buy this share. But if something can happen, like the data will be absolutely bad, and we open somewhere here with a down gap, out of this candle or this candle somewhere below 82, I'm not gonna buy it. I will wait, and then I will see what's happened after today's session. Then I will make the decision. But there is also interesting information, because regarding this chart, that the volume action here. We can also see the volume action on cumulative. We're using the indicator which cumulate the volume here on the volume on the swings or wings. Volume on the swings. So the last 2 swings, this is 60-minute chart. From here to here was on absolutely huge volume, and from here to here also on extremely high volume. So we getting the everything what was offer as everything was trading down here was vacuumed by the buyers. So buyers getting stronger and stronger, and the volume is rising when the prices are rising on last 3 sessions. This is absolutely good pattern, that bullish pattern. And also, if you can see the volume here and here, and also the volume from, let's say, from here to here, a little bit volume just decrease, okay? But here in this area, the volume is really weak and start rising in here, okay, in this last few sessions. So it seems for me this is a pattern which tell me that I supposed to be bullish on this stock. And trading stocks, sometimes you ask me, guys, how long we keep our position. It depends, like days, sometimes weeks. Yesterday we closed our position after 5 weeks. It depends what we are trading. We have few really good stocks right now in our portfolio, and we're sharing those signals every day with our community. Visit our site www.volumedaytrader.com, and subscribe free weekly report with PTA signals. And for more, just see you on our social media. Thank you and have good trades.